Hey everybody, it's Darren Amato with AMBRO Manufacturing in Flemington, New Jersey. And today I'm talking to the nonprofit organizations out there. We do a lot of work with nonprofits. We do bulk order custom t-shirts for nonprofits. If you look behind me, we've got a stack of blank t-shirts getting ready to go into the print process. And one of the reasons why nonprofits really enjoy working with us, beyond just the price point, because you're working direct with the factory, is that we are very responsible corporate folks. We've got solar panels on the roof, which power 85% of our electrical needs. We care about the environment, so we use water-based inks and water-based cleansers. And we also pay our employees very well, far above minimum wage. And we've got folks that have been here for 10, 15, 20 plus years. So we treat our people right. So a lot of our values align with your values as a non-for-profit. So if you're out there looking for custom t-shirts for an event, just give us a call and let's talk. We're happy to help you out.